Hello, all my friends out there. A very good morning to you. I'm Garima and welcome to my channel Tarot A New Horizon. आप सबका मेरे चैनल टैरोट अ न्यू होराइजन में स्वागत है। आज मैं आपको ये सेशन 3 जून से लेके 10 जून के लिए कर रही हूँ। फ्रॉम 3 जून टू 10 जून अ वीक। सो दिस सेशन इज़ फॉर अ वीक डे। Yesterday is a history, tomorrow is a mystery, today is a gift. So I would like to say कि just आपने आज पर ध्यान दीजिए, बिकॉज़ आज अगर आपका अच्छा होगा तो आपका फ्यूचर अपने आप ही अच्छा हो जाएगा। सो पास्ट में रहने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है। बी इन द प्रेजेंट, बी इन द प्रेजेंट वॉट एवर यू आर डूइंग, बिलीव इन योर सेल्फ। स्कॉर्पियन, okay, for scorpions, Two of Swords, Four of Rods, and Sun. Ah, very nice cards. The thing is, like, you are feeling like very much confused. You think people are hiding you something, but don't think like this. You have a stability in whatever, in finance, in job, everything will come. So don't get confused and don't get confused. आप कंफ्यूजन मत रखिए होल वीक में। आपका आपका पूरा वीक अच्छा है, स्टेबिलिटी के साथ है, जॉब हो, फाइनेंस हो, सब अच्छा है। इट्स अ वेरी गुड कार्ड। इट्स अ येस फॉर मी। Everything is fine, Scorpions. You have a stability. You may be attending a marriage, or there can be a marriage in this, या मैरिज की बात हो सकती है, and we are very much happy for that. So don't keep any confusion. Let me see your energy. Oh my God. Wow, what a nice card. Healer of the age. You are healing yourself and you are healing others also. So it's a very nice card. It's a 6 number, Venus number. Okay. You must be very much, आप कोई जैसे बताएं फंक्शन अटेंड कर सकते हो, वेरी वेरी मच हैप्पी टू अटेंड द फंक्शन एंड एवरीथिंग इज़ फाइन. द होल थिंग इज़ वेरी नाइस. द होल वीक इज़ गुड फॉर यू. Let me see some other cards also. सी सैजिटेरियस, नवंबर दिसंबर में आपकी शादी अगर हो रही है तो वो पक्की हो जाएगी. एक्वेरियस, जैन फेब में आपको अच्छी बातें मिल सकती है. योर कॉन्फिडेंट, योर कॉन्फिडेंस इज स्पीकिंग दिस टाइम. डोंट बी अ डिप्लोमैटिक and you are the inspiration for others. You are the inspiration for others. This week is very nice for you are confident, you are diplomatic, you are inspiration, and the things will be settled down in the month of November, December, or January, Feb. Okay, let me see some charms for you. Okay, pin it up, the things which are not serving you. You are getting an offer, your love marriage or something. You have the keys for all the answers. So you have the solution for yourself. My God, so many things. B-N-G, G na? G-F-A-L-Z. Ban yourself. Ban yourself for something. You lend a hand to everyone. Lend a hand to everyone. Okay. You can be a fan of someone, or somebody can be a fan of yourself. Okay. You can be a fan for this week. Everybody will be a fan for yourself. Okay. Have the zeal for yourself. Have the zeal for yourself. So I would like to say that lend a hand. You are giving a hand to someone. Band yourself for something and have a zeal for yourself, because everybody is your fan. Advice for you from 3rd June to 10 June. I hope you resonate with this reading in this session. And if you like this session, please like, share, and subscribe, and even comment for this session. I'm eagerly waiting for your comments and whatever you want to have a session on. So have a nice day, and a week ahead from my side. And I hope to tune with you for the next week. Thank you so much for joining me.